Hey everyone, in this video I will be removing an existing ring floodlight camera and will be installing a Dahua Duo turret camera in its place. Here you can see the existing ring floodlight camera currently installed. I have removed the ring floodlight camera. This is an easy process, just make sure to turn off the power to the camera to avoid getting an electric shock. I'm now ready to install the Duo camera. On the top left is the ring and on the bottom right is the Dahua camera. You can see how much clearer the Dahua camera is compared to the ring. The grass is greener, the car is brighter and has a wider lens shot on the house. You can see from the left to the right. The Duo has smart motion detection which can detect human and vehicle. Here you can see it picks up the vehicle as it leaves the house. The Duo camera also has two small LED white lights that light up once it takes human detection. Handy if you need an outside spotlight as its low voltage power 48 volts. A few reasons why I removed the Ring floodlight device. The Ring stores my video footage on a cloud server. I want to keep my video footage stored locally. No on-VIF support or RTSP stream available. I want all my security cameras to be viewed on one app. I don't want any subscription based camera device. I require a higher megapixel camera for better quality picture. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like or subscribe to our social media pages. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck and thanks.